Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to use a touchless car wash in Canada. So step 1, choosing a car wash location. The first step is selecting a car wash location and deciding whether to buy a bundled package or an individual car wash. So you can also ask about any available offers. Today I choose a Shell car wash near my home. So after purchasing, you will receive either a card like this or a receipt with a code that allows you to enter the car wash. Since I purchased the bundled wash package, I received this car wash card. You can also add it to your phone using the Shell app if you prefer. So let's move with the second step. Second step is to enter the car wash. So when you arrive at the car wash, wait until the vehicle ahead of you is completely washed. Then look for the light board, which will prompt you to enter a code. There are multiple ways to do this. So you can either swipe your car wash card at the machine, enter the code from your receipt. If you have added the card to the Shell app, simply select the car wash tab and start it from your phone. This will automatically communicate with the system and open the door completely touch free. So we'll wait until the other car is gone. Okay, now it's time to enter your code, or as I said, you can use your phone app if you install it and add the card into the Shell app. So what you have to do is select the car wash tab and select the car wash and click on the yellow button start car wash. So it will automatically communicate with the system and open the door for you. So now you have to go inside and step 3, washing the vehicle. Slowly driving into car wash station and wait for the process to begin. Inside you will see a light board displaying instructions such as move forward, stop, rinse, apply soap, applying a clear coat. Just allow the prompts and the machine will take care of the rest. So what you have to do is you will have to chill and stay until machine finish their job. So after these, you can move forward with the step 4, drying the vehicle. So as I said, at the end of the wash, system will guide you to the drying area. So in my case, I had 60 seconds to dry my car. You can move forward and backward as needed to ensure your vehicle dries properly. So that's it. Using touchless car wash is super simple. I hope this video was helpful. So if you enjoyed this content, please give it a like. It really motivates me to create more videos for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll be happy to reply. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Thank you for watching. Bye.